Hello everyone, this is Dr.Meetakshi Bhatt and welcome to my channel. Today is the second lecture of the Facebook advertisement series. I'm going to cover today practically how are we going to make the Facebook Business Manager and the Facebook page. So let us begin. Okay, before starting this further, we're going to have a small recap of what we had studied in lecture 1. So if you remember, this is the same ad campaign hierarchy which we had covered in lecture 1. So here you can easily see you have a Facebook Business Manager, you have a Facebook Ads Manager under him, and then you have the ads account. Then under him you have your campaigns, different campaigns. Under the campaigns we have different ad sets, and under the ad sets we are going to now finally run the advertisements. Okay, to run an advertisement, if you remember, Facebook business page is very essential. Okay, but before making this Facebook business page, if you remember the hierarchy, on the top we had the Facebook Business Manager. Now he's supposed to be like a king. I told you that imagine him to be a box, a container kind of an object, or you can say the head of the managers, okay, who is actually dealing with everything. And the best strategy is to make him deal with everything. Okay, instead of making your pages separately, the Facebook business page can be made separately also, but in that case you will again have to link it with Facebook Business Manager. From one common platform we can manage lot of things. We can manage our Instagram ads also, we can manage our WhatsApp Messenger also, and we can manage our advertisements also, and there are many other things, payments, bidding, etc, etc. The best strategy is that when you know that the head of the organization, example I'm saying, if you know that the head of the organization has to take the headache of dealing with everything, so it is better that you first allot who is going to head the whole organization. Okay, so here the Facebook Business Manager has to be made first. Under him you have Facebook ad account. Under this Facebook ad account we have ad account. Okay, and I had already told you that this should be only one ad account for one Facebook business page. Okay, because that is necessary. You can make multiple ads account also, but in that case that will be only tedious and it will create problem. So the best thing to manage everything is to make the work as far as possible simple and clear, so that management of anything is possible clearly. Under this ad account are your multiple ad campaigns. So ad campaign 1, campaign 2, campaign 3, campaign 4, campaign 5, and so on. Under one campaign you can have multiple ad sets, ad set 1, ad set 2, and under this ad set, ad 1, ad 2, ad 3, ad 4. Now if you remember why everybody has a Facebook profile, the main purpose of the profile is you share your photographs, you share your videos, you share your normal information in the Facebook profile page. Okay, that is normally made by everybody. Now you have a Facebook page. Now this is specifically meant for business purpose only. You can be a businessman, as I said, you can run an e-commerce business, you can have any other form of business. It can be a B2B, B2C. Okay, you can be an influencer, you can also be a blogger, public figure, celebrity. This is representing your business, which is going to explain you to the people, because that is going to be visible at a bigger level. So Facebook page has to be something very attractive, well thought of. There was another term which was known as the Meta Business Suite. So for American pronunciation it is going to be suite. Okay, which is, you can say, being clubbed. The Facebook Business Manager is kind of clubbed into it. We are going to see it practically, what is the difference between this business suite and the Facebook Business Manager. Now let us see practically how are we going to do this. Now before making the Facebook Business Manager or the Facebook page, One needs to have the Facebook profile, which is very essential. This we have already spoken. So Facebook profile is always of an individual, that also we remember. Normally I had told you that if Facebook profile is a profile which is an old profile of yours, if you are into a business and you have to run advertisements, okay, so that is much better. Step number one is going to be you open your Facebook profile page, okay, because all these things are associated and linked. Then business.facebook.com overview. This is the kind of interface that that is going to be visible to you. It is mentioned over here. Let us start with business tool from Meta and Facebook. Log into Facebook to use Meta Business Suite or Business Manager. See the functions also here they have mentioned. It can oversee all your pages, accounts and business assets in one place. What are the assets? The different functions that it is providing us. Easily create and manage ads from all your accounts. Track what's working best with performance insights. So it is also letting you know which advertisement is working more. Otherwise you have to spend a lot of money when you have to advertise. But in case of Facebook, you can invest, I'll say invest, that you can invest a small amount of money, let's say rupees 100, and then you can actually see how is your advertisement working. Is it really going across to people? Is it really having an impact? If not, okay, then in that case at least you're not under a loss, because over here you have actually got the feedback, and now you can improvise, you can make changes, you can improve it, you can then accordingly decide your budget, you can increase your budget slightly. So in no ways are you in loss. Why? Because you are finally learning also. Now you will see create an account. Now the page has come where you have to create a business account in Business Manager. So remember that the business name or the account name that you're going to put over here should be matching the public name of your business, okay, because this is going to be visible to everybody. So let's say for example my business name is Business Manager 1, okay. Your name has automatically, it will come. For me it has come, and you have to type your name over here, Meetakshi Bhatt. I've typed. Write down the email address. Remember that this email address should be an email address which is authentic and which is in working status. Also, this is going to be an email address where you're going to get the notification from the end of Facebook with respect to verification, okay, and also the further communication also is going to happen from the Facebook end in this email ID only. Plus your name as well as your email address is going to be visible to the people. Because it was a tentative one that was not working, I'm just going to change it. Learning services, I guess this is working. This may happen with you too. Learning services has been created, okay. It is saying confirm your email address. So this is something which is going to be visible to you after the verification. Now I'm going to go into business settings. So now when we go into business settings, this is your Facebook Business Manager page. From this place you can easily manage your Instagram account, if you can see, WhatsApp account, and if you're going to scroll down there are many other things. See, billings and payment you will do from here. Okay, this is the interface of the Facebook Business Manager. You can see the name of the business that I have made. People, I'll click over here, I can easily give access to the people of my business account, the business advertisement account. I can remove them or edit the people in case I want to add more people or delete that person from that responsibility or add on to his responsibility. I'm going to click on invite people. Here I'm going to simply write the email ID of the person. The email ID has to be correct email ID and it should be linked with the Facebook also. Please remember, because we are doing the advertisement on Facebook, so this has to be, his email ID should be linked with Facebook, okay. So from here I can easily send the invitation. So once the invite goes to the person, he will accept from his end, and then I can give the access from here, whether I want to give him the full access to the person or I want to give the partial access to the person. That will be dependent upon the role of the person, okay. Now if I click on this three dot, I can assign assets. Can you see? I can view the details, the very first thing. I can go to assign assets. Assign assets mean when I'm adding on to the responsibility. For example, if today he is managing the ad of my Facebook, I want him to manage the ad of Instagram also, or of other such platform. Edit info, I want to make certain changes in the responsibilities, I can easily edit the info. Okay, or in case I want to remove that person and give some other work, or for whatever reason I want to remove, I can easily click on the remove. Now, because this I showed you for a demo purpose, I do not have list of people over here. Otherwise, the people to whom you would have sent the invite, the whole list would be visible over here, and you can easily see their email address also. You can see the business account access, whether you have given them the full control, whether you have given them the partial control. Okay, and then you can easily see the status also. The invites that you send to people will be added. People who have been added are going to be listed over here, and you can easily see in this category. The next option is the partner. Now, who is the partner to my business? He can be a third person, or third party. That is, if the person is a freelancer, or any other service provider who is providing me the services of putting across the ad onto my Facebook account. Okay, or if you yourself are a freelancer, in that case you can also ask the access. Correct. So I'll click on partners. Here you can see partner to share the set with and partner to request a set from. So in case if you are a freelancer, you want to request the asset to work on their behalf, okay, you're going to click on this. And in case if you're a business owner, you are giving the access to the other person, the third party. Okay, you're going to click on this ad. Now here you can easily see what are you going to type. You're going to type partner's business ID. Here you can see the business ID is this particular number is the business ID. So I'm going to type the business ID over here. This is the ID for my account, but if I have to give the partner's business ID, I'm going to type my partner's business ID. Okay, so here you're simply, when you're typing the business ID, you're going to click on next. You are simply allowing a new partner to access to your assets. See, remember one thing, that once you have added the partner, or you have become the partner, if you have added the partner, then in that case the whole headache is now of the partner, because everything, whatever access you give to him, okay, he can easily do the work concerning those assets on his behalf from his end. Now if you are a partner, I'm going to click on add. It is saying ask a partner to share their business assets. Okay, your partner must have a business manager account. So I'm going to, if I click on get started, you need their account business ID, you'll need your contact's name and email address. Now see, here in account section you have option of pages, ad account, business assets group, apps, Instagram account. Okay, if you will scroll it down, you have many other WhatsApp accounts and many other. Once you go to Facebook profile, you can see over here the profile will look somewhat like this. Okay, because I have not added any kind of a picture. Now we have to first make the Facebook page. Okay, see, this is the account section and pages, if you can see. So before going to pages, because I have to add pages, let me just first make the page. What am I going to do? I'm going to go to my Facebook profile. When I go to my Facebook profile, this is the dashboard or the interface that is visible to me. Okay, here if you want, you can click on these dots, and here also you have the option of pages. Here if you scroll it down, you see the option of pages. I will click on pages. You can see over here create new page. So I'm going to create new page. I'm going to give a name to my page. I can give the page name as demo class, category educational. There will be specific category with Facebook. You type a letter, any letter, for example. Okay, once I have written the page name, I have to choose a category, to which category my page belongs to, and then I have to give a small description also. Description should be good enough to explain my page. Category I can write, for instance, for example, I'm typing tutor or teacher. This is a small description randomly I have given. I'm going to create the page. Now here if you see, they're asking me the website. If I have the website, I'm going to write down the website. In case if I do not have, I'll leave it. phone number. I'm going to first, here if you can see it is written US, I'm going to first click, it is an Indian number. I'm going to write my phone number. Why? Because it is going to again verify. And then I'm going to write my email address. You can write your location, your town or city, postcode, hours. For example, I'm writing open, always open. And next. Now here if you can see, customize your page. Okay. Your profile picture is one of the first thing that people will see. So you can add a profile picture over here. From here you can select the photographs where you have kept your profile picture and add a cover photo which will be visible over here, and click on next. Step 3 is connect WhatsApp to your page. So if you want to connect your WhatsApp to your advertisement, to the people who are going to see your advertisement, here you can mention your WhatsApp number. Okay, and if you want to skip, you can skip. Okay, here you have to build your page audience. So over here, if you want to invite people, you can easily invite your friends over here by connecting to them. Click next. Last stage is stay informed about your page. Page notifications on your profile. If you want notifications, you want marketing and promotional emails about your page. So if you want some kind of a marketing and promotional emails about your page, this you can click. Or if you do not want this, kindly deselect it and done. I have created this. Welcome to your new page. This message is saying you're now switched out of your profile and now you are into your page demo class, because I had given the name of the page as demo class. If you want to take the tour, you can. If you do not want, you can not now. Now this is my Facebook page. Now manage page, can you see the demo class? So before posting any ad, you have to go for certain activities of normal typing your thoughts or whatever, some kind of small activities into the same page. Because I had told you earlier also, if you straight away go for advertisement, it will be definitely restricted by Facebook. Start putting across something. You can just click on it, type something for example, and then you can click on post. Here you can see the option of boost post also. I will discuss this later on. Now I've come back to the Facebook Business Manager. Over here if you see pages, because at that point of time I had not made the pages, I'm going to click on pages. So now I have to simply connect my page, because I've just made one page. So I have to connect my page to my business managers. I will simply click on this add and follow the simple steps of adding my page, of my current page. Okay, and my page will be simply added to the business manager. So I hope you got a good understanding of how do you have to make the business manager and how are you going to make the Facebook page. So see you in my next video. Thank you.